At Naman Build Tech, we don't just build, we create industrial landmarks that redefine construction in India. Based in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, we are your trusted partner in industrial and warehouse infrastructure development. With over 10 years of experience and 200 plus completed projects, we deliver engineering excellence that drives industries forward. Our expertise includes custom industrial buildings, advanced warehouses, and complete turnkey solutions. What sets us apart? A skilled workforce, cutting edge technology, and a commitment to timely delivery. Let's build the future together. Visit us +91 966 Zodred 14262. Email namanbuildtechbiwadi@gmail.com. www.namanbuildtech.com.